Hey, I'm Darlene,
I'm Eric.
and today we're talking about defining your target audience. You've already got that rock star idea that everybody loves and is rooting for. It's your time to dig a little deeper and figure out who your target audience is.
Yeah, do your research. Get out, get to know them and everything about them. It's gonna help.
You already know what you're passionate about. It's time to figure out what motivates them. Ask them questions directly. Engage with them on social media.
Or maybe offer up a survey, a short one, and incentivize them to give you a little bit of feedback.
Now that you know who your target audience is, it's time to dig a little bit into what they're saying about your competition.
Yeah, you can use review sites, and on there you can gain really helpful insight on what they do well already and what maybe they should work on for ammunition for your own business.
Yeah, and use social media. Everybody is so brutally honest on it.
For sure.
So when you know who your audience is, the how you reach them is so much easier.
Yeah, you can really put your best foot forward and not waste valuable time and resources marketing to the wrong target audience. So, I'm Eric, this is Darlene, thanks for watching.